Okay, we got Articat 1000cc 1 liter 2018. Why I'm putting this 2018? Because up to 2017 they haven't got that spacer. We can see we got clutch, we got that tube sitting there, and 17 we got rollers which lives in there over here. And after 2018, in 2018 they add this spacer which goes under the cover. So yeah, that's the point. Make sure you're putting that here and it's not dropping in between the cover. So drive belt installation, got old drive belt and new drive belt. Got rotation this way, so it's gonna go that way. I got bolt going through, which one gonna open more space for me to install the belt, to open the discs between. Okay. So got our drive belt in the place, and take this off and stick through and that's a little bit sticking. So what happened last time, the spacer dropped down on here and was stuck like this, so we couldn't give full speed to accelerate. So this wasn't opening enough, wasn't closing enough to get the all speed for the drive belt.
Nearly psychedelic.
So yeah, I was looking at the drawings, I couldn't see where this sits. So yeah, that spacer sits here and the cover goes right on the top. Because I was looking at the drawings and couldn't understand why we got that spacer. We told it's not from here. It's get like a little confused. Another thing to check is you got that much of space. If you haven't got right, it's gonna be right on the end. We're gonna get the impact gun. So when you're putting it together, make sure you got all the way in. Okay. Now we're gonna get the screw out. Because we got issue with that spacer. We're not sure it was dropped or it was here. We got speed 45 miles per hour. We put that spacer in there, we got 56. We took it out, we got about 80. About 80. We're not sure what's going on, so we're gonna put lid and gonna test, see if it's working or not. Okay, we're gonna test right and then we will see if it's working or not. Okay, go.